Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we will be working on a Ford Fiesta MK7 guys, the generation from 2008 to 2017, including the ST. So if you're trying to locate the airbag module on those, if the car was in a wreck, you have an airbag light that relates to airbag module guys, we'll show you how to get to it now. We'll have the video, how to remove it, how to remove everything to get to it. This is just a short video today guys, that is going just to show you the location. If you want a long video, check out Auto Repair guys, our main channel, so check it out. We'll have more than 200 videos on that Fiesta, and if you need anything, just let me know. So what we did actually, we removed the center console of the vehicle. So if you need the vehicle, we'll have it guys. And once you remove the center console of the vehicle, you have to have the battery disconnected at least 1 hour before removing the airbag module. And you have a few things here, and you can see that this one is actually airbag module, okay, right here, next to the emergency brake. So that's very important guys to know where it is, because some of you have seen people spilling things in the emergency brake hole right here, and if you get that thing wet you might lose communication. So you can see that's where it is, and the only thing holding usually an airbag module is 3 nuts or bolts, and you can see it has one on the front, 2 on the back, and the wires are really easy to disconnect as well. You push down here and you disconnect them, 2 wires. So not very complicated guys, but just wanted to show you where it is if you're wondering how to find it. So if you want the whole video, check it out on Auto Repair guys. If you need anything for that Fiesta, let us know so we can make a video while we have it. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time.